Hey guys, it's Christian, and today our most requested video on IG, Instagram, when we did a poll, was to do a 5-minute minimalistic makeup routine, and I think I accomplished it. I actually did set a timer for 5 minutes, and then I did 2 more products if you wanted to do a second coat of mascara, and like 2 other products I would grab if maybe you have 7 minutes of time. So I think it was really fun. It made me feel like very anxiety out to film this when you actually put a timer on the clock and you're like, I have to be ready in 5 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's definitely not the most informational video I've ever done just because of the quick time frame, and I was like trying not to talk to you guys too much. But I used only 1 makeup sponge and 1 brush for like this whole look, and we did 10 products, or actually I think there's 10 or 12 products in 5 to 7 minutes that you can do that makes you feel like you have a little bit of life on your face. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and we'll go ahead and get into the 5 to 7 minute makeup look for the girl on the go. Okay, we're starting the timer. I'm so nervous because I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to do this, but we're going to challenge accepted. We're going to try. Okay, and go. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my favorite foundation, which is the Kosas foundation. And I am going to just apply this on the back of my hand because we have no time. And I'm going to apply a couple drops of the Ether Beauty Illumination Oil because our glow is important. So no matter if I'm running out of time, I'm just going to continue to glow. So I'm going to grab my makeup sponge and just start applying the foundation as fast and quickly as possible. Definitely going to need a little bit more foundation. I underestimated how much I needed. Okay. Oh, I feel like I'm not going to be able to make it already. All right, then I'm going to throw on some revealer concealer with no precision and just as fast as humanly possible. Okay, I'm going to grab my makeup sponge because again, there is no time for brushes. Like, if you have 5 minutes, you kind of barely have time for a sponge. And I think that is the nice thing about the Kosas foundation is I don't promote it because I honestly don't like to say this, but you can apply it with your fingertips, which is nice when you only have 5 minutes to get ready, so. Next, we're moving into powder because I'm going to set it with the Kosas powder. And I actually like to do this, just take your makeup sponge and just start pressing it in because like I said, you have no time to change brushes. You only have 5 minutes to do your makeup, or 5 to 10 minutes depending on what you're able to accomplish. I'm actually really proud with how this foundation looks. Sad to say. Next, I'm going to grab my creamy contour, and with the same sponge, I'm just going to go at it. And we're going to apply this in the hollows of the cheeks. And this, honestly, I do like doing this on days where I don't have a lot of time to get ready because it just diffuses the product and it just looks super natural. It's not a chiseled contour. It's just kind of like, hey, my face has like some dimension. Sometimes it can, sometimes it doesn't. Like, I'm actually like pretty impressed. I don't know how much time I have left, but I'm gonna grab a blush. This is from Kosas, and again, just take it on a sponge and go at it on the face. There's no precision when you only have 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna grab an eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna grab a single brush, and this is Half Light from Rituel, and I'm just gonna apply it kind of wherever. I'm just gonna throw it on. This is like a really pretty, just like taupey shade. This is awesome because it's just like a 1 color eyeshadow that you literally can throw on and just feel like, oh, I have something going on in my eyes. And I love the color. It's just like a really pretty soft brown. Okay, that's all we have time for on the eyes. Minus, I'm gonna grab a little bit of highlighter and just go ahead and highlight that inner corner. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some on as well here. Brows, I'm just gonna pop some brow gel on just to give them that laminated brow look. I'm gonna quickly throw on, actually I'm gonna make some mascara the last. I'm gonna throw on a lip. This is Hex. By Rituel Defeat. And then I'm going to throw on a lip gloss. I've got 42 seconds. I'm actually really proud of myself. And then I'm gonna hit it with some mascara in the last 30 seconds. Let's see if I can do 2 coats. I don't know that I'm gonna have time, but we'll see. All right, timer just went off. I'm gonna apply a little bit more mascara. So let's say, for example, I had 10 minutes to get ready. How would I take this into a 7-minute look, 7 to 10 minutes? I would apply 2 coats of mascara for sure, because we don't really have a lot of thing going on the eyes, which kind of pains me because I really love eyeshadow. But again, if you only have 5 to 10 minutes, you're definitely not gonna have time for multiple different eyeshadows. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this half light shade and I'm gonna apply just a little bit more. Like if I had 7 minutes to get ready, I would definitely apply a little bit more of this eyeshadow. Apply a little bit of liner, especially like right here. And then I would apply some also and I'm gonna take my fingers and just kind of like smudge it in. And I kind of like winged it out just a little bit. Also, if I had a little bit more time, I would put a little bit of this Elate Glitz shade, and this is like an eye pencil, and I love to put it on the waterline just to brighten the under eye part of your eyes up. It makes your eyes look like so much bigger and brighter. And I'm also taking it and applying it a little bit along the lower lash line, because again, like it just starts to make your eyes look a little bit more open and airy. Okay, time's up. This is our 7-minute makeup look, super easy, and like, at least it gives you like a little bit of something. Like we have a little bit of eye color on the eyes, we have some smudgy, smoky liner, we've got a good like neutral baby pink lip gloss, our brows are laminated. I mean, like I feel like in 5 minutes, even if you didn't use those last 2 products, the liners, like at least you feel like you have a little something like fun going on your face, especially if you're like going to school, going to work. This is honestly a look I do all the time because I usually have to work out before I go to work. So I work out, I get in the shower, I literally have like 5 minutes to do my makeup, and these are totally products that I currently own and use. And I feel like the nice thing about it is that if you don't have brushes, like you could literally accomplish your makeup look with a sponge as long as you're cleaning your makeup sponge out once a day, because you're definitely gonna wanna make sure you rinse this guy off so that it's clean and ready to go.